Oops, apologize, guys. I was having a bit of a technical glitch, but now it's all sorted. So, yeah, welcome back to another session of Build Break and Fix, brought to you by the Raw Coders. And in this episode, we're going to be continuing from yesterday. But first of all, let's pay our respects to the elders of the past, present, and future. So, there we go. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today, and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Alright, so that was smoothly done. So, yeah, let's choose our background music. So, which one should we choose this time? Let's have a look. All right. We'll choose this one. All right. So, if you remember in the previous stream, and I do apologize, I wasn't able to make it yesterday because there was a bit of a last minute thing happened, but now it's all good. I am back. And yeah, so yesterday, no, on Sunday, what we did was basically we implemented the functionality that when we press the button go, it should um, it should show the user that it's loading, as in with a progress bar, and then take us to the next page when the process is done. All right, so in this one, we're going to be working on something different. So let me open up my Jira and we can get the ball rolling from there. All right. What did I want to do? Yeah. I wanted to share my screen. And there you go. We'll open up Jira and see where we're at. There we go. That's the email. And I'll just pop in the magic thing. No, really? How can this be possible? Yeah, there we go. That is done. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do is we will come back to the WebSocket afterwards. WebSocket connection time needs to be extended. Oh, yeah, let's actually look into this one. WebSocket closed, informed user of disconnection. All right, yeah. So we can basically implement this first, as in when the WebSocket is closed, we need to inform the user that you're no longer connected to the WebSocket. All right. So I'll open, and that would be done in basically in the front end. So I'll open up my terminal. Zoom in a bit so you guys can see as well. All right, and that's my log. Yep, and show progress bar is done. So because this one is all done, what we're gonna do is create another branch, which will say notify mm, disconnection, WebSocket disconnect. Yeah. So let's create another branch vs not ws notify ws disconnect. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Let's do that and check out WebSocket Pro. This one. Cool. So we are over there now, and okay, cool. So where's our WebSocket getting disconnected? WebSocket disconnect. WebSocket is open. Okay, and we need a thing to say disconnect as well. So this would basically be like, anyone there yet? No. Cool. So what's gonna happen is is open on message is closed. Disconnected. Disconnect there. Or default, isn't it? WebSocket on load. Load. No. So WebSocket URL is this. That WebSocket, yeah, that's fine. Connect to WebSocket. So is this one WebSocket error? Reject. So it returns a promise, and then it goes in that one board ID. It opens up the WebSocket, which is great. And then on connect, is that one, and on error. Okay, if there's an error, it won't do it. Cool. So we need something like that as well, but for disconnect. On disconnect. So we'll return a promise as well. WebSocket board on disconnect. Excuse me. Event. So when it disconnects, what does it say? Resolve rejects error on error. Okay, we want it to resolve disconnected. Right? On error, we don't want to show any error. I think this is it really. So if it's disconnected, then what will it do basically? We just on open on disconnect. It would just resolve to disconnected. Close. Alright, let's go in our AWS account and see what does it have to offer. My phone is there. Right, 810.525. Okay, my API gateway is there, and so what we're gonna, this is our disconnect, isn't it? So we need to connect it to that one, Lambda proxy. Or is it Lambda on WebSocket disconnect handler? So basically what we need to do is we need to implement the disconnection as well in the backend. Oh yeah, interesting. I thought I already did it. Anyway, let's go on to our backend. Notify disconnect. Okay, check out the oh, that's the wrong one. I'm supposed to do it here. Nope, not in this one. Did not match any file, not git. I forgot the B flag. There you go. Okay, and now we open this one. Okay, and disconnect is here. There you go. No board is present. Oh, so it's already implemented. 2 hours max. Oh, WebSocket connection can be connected. Oh, so we don't really have to implement the timeout because there might be no session more than 2 hours. Yeah, cool. So disconnection, if we can basically call, how did we use connect? How did we use connect? Okay, how are we using connect here? Okay, on new website, connect your board ID that want to get local storage. Yeah, cool. Resolve open, which comes then here. Time to live handler. Probably this is the one. WebSocket. Already time to live. Connected. Ah, right. So go connected, and this one would be no connection ID disconnected. Yeah, so pretty much we have to do this, right? As in, get on there. Do it with the lambda disconnect. Because that might not. Oh, so it's already there. So all we need to do is basically just test it. We don't have a lambda function API. Okay, let's go to CloudFormation because all the stack is there. Disconnect function. Hello world on disconnect function role, disconnect lambda permission, disconnect lambda handler function. Yeah, there is the one. So we basically need this one. Okay, if we go over here, use lambda proxy, yeah, that's fine. That's alright, cool, my role. Is that the same as well? Whoops. There's something not right. This has the ARN app, but that doesn't. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now that this is deployed, what we can do actually is okay. can do is we can, so this is all there, but we just have to test it. So on disconnect, so we would have to do it under the proper WebSocket. So all that's left just for WebSockets. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Since I don't have anyone to test with, I'm probably gonna call it a day, or I can test it with. Actually, yeah. I need another user to test it with. So yeah, I probably have to wait for one of my raw coders to come tomorrow, and hopefully we can test in that way. All right. All right, guys. There's well, I wanted to test the WebSocket disconnection, but since it won't work if I'm under the same network, I need one of the other rule coders to come online and help me out, which will probably be done tomorrow. However, we I I didn't actually think that the on disconnect WebSocket functionality isn't even implemented, but it is. So thanks a lot for Tori for doing that. I'm pretty sure he was the one because he's our Node.js slash front end expert. So yeah, we will carry on tomorrow, same time, same place, and the same task. And if you want to check how we test it out, feel free to join us. All right. Until then, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right. Now.